Hi everyone, I'm Andrew. Welcome to the channel. This channel is all about training your body and mind for strength, mobility, movement, and recovery without the hyper gimmicks. I've been in the fitness industry for over 20 years. Along the way, I've led group fitness classes including yoga. I've taught core training workshops and given talks as a fitness expert. But my main focus and what I really love is personal training. Because fitness is very individual, but I only have so much time and I can only work with so many people, which is why I've decided to put my workouts and fitness tips here on YouTube so I can help more people. Here, you'll find ways to build strength, resilience, along with tips to improve mobility and flexibility. My goal is to give you real-world tools that actually work, whether you're in the gym, at home, or outdoors. So if you're ready to move smarter, build strength, and feel better in your body and mind, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and join me on this journey.